Oh, I know. I brought a thermos full of water. I should have had that. Whew. Definitely a workout this morning. This is a fun place where you can get really good crab rolls and you can spend time. Let's see if you guys can see it through here one last time. Hey, Juanita, how's it going? You missed me going to the waterfall this morning. I was trying to get baptized again, even though I've been baptized. You probably can't see it. I slipped on the waterfall. But I wanted the water of God to feel good this morning. And then we're going to start our prayer church thing here coming up. And then Juanita, look at this, Juanita. This is from the fall also. I completely wiped out. I'm like really dirty. And then of course this.